Hey guys, today I'm making these tiny little staplers for your dolls. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, please feel free to click that subscribe button. I am on Instagram. Tag me if you make this craft and I'll totally come check it out. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I just start her with some parchment paper, and then using my hot glue gun, I can make the top piece of my stapler just by squeezing out some hot glue. After about a minute, when it dries, I can cut off the end, stab it with a thumbtack, and paint with nail polish. And while that's drying, I take a piece of craft foam paper. It doesn't have to be white, and I'm just cutting out a super thin strip and painting silver. And when everything is dry, I can glue my silver piece to my top section. Next, I take black craft foam paper, cut out 2 squares, and glue together. And I'm using a pretty good amount of hot glue because I want to get a really good seal. So I just kind of squeeze it around. I cut one end, and you can see how you have kind of a nice seal there, and I glue it to another piece with the nice end facing forward. Then I cut my craft foam paper to fit my top section. I cut one side, the back, the other side, along with my front, and then here I can just kind of shape the back to give it a little bit of a rounded effect. And once you've shaped it, I paint with black nail polish. And when everything is dry, I glue my top section to my craft foam. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys!